Following years of anticipation, NASA engineers had their first look at what will become the first NASA X-plane in a decade, as the future distributed electric propulsion-powered X-57 Maxwell touched American soil for the first time.
We have an airplane.
We do need to talk a little bit how we're going to put the electric motors in here, because we need to find a place to put the controllers.
The P-2006T, which shipped from Tecnam's facilities in Naples, Italy, arrived at Empirical Systems Aerospace in Oceano, California on July 19th. Here, the aircraft, which was shipped in two separate parts, underwent thorough component inspection to verify modifications made during the fabrication process, followed by weight and balance measurements.
Nose is 130.
Once ES-Aero completes initial inspections, the aircraft will be transported to Scaled Composites in Mojave, where it will undergo the first phase of modification into a fully electric airplane. X-57 aims to demonstrate flight that is greener, quieter, and more efficient through distributed electric propulsion.